In this video, we will cover many aspects related to the basic search feature on Anstrex Pop Ads platform. Basic search allows you to search multiple fields related to a creative using a single or multiple keywords. You can invoke basic search by clicking on the search button on the top right corner. This button will create a modal window as shown on the screen. As you can see, the basic search modal window has a keyword field and multiple radio buttons. Each radio button corresponds to a particular attribute of the creative that can be searched. Let's understand each one with examples. Landing page text. Every pop creative is basically a landing page. All the text on the landing page is indexed by Anstrex. You can search for any keywords from this indexed text using this radio button. Let's type the word win to get ads related to sweepstake vertical. As you can see, many results are pertaining to the sweepstakes vertical. You can get more specific by typing an additional keyword iPhone. This will cause the search engine to find creatives with both these words on the landing page, which is evident from the results fetched by this search query. Next is the landing page URL option. This field can be searched in a novel ways, as it allows you to search for the full URL, including all the URL parameters. Here are some examples on how to quickly find directly linked affiliate ad campaigns without any pre-lander. We will use the keyword affiliate because this word is present in many URLs promoted by affiliates. As you can see from the results, we see the word affiliate present as a parameter in the URL, indicating that these campaigns are run by affiliates. Another commonly used parameter for affiliate links is AFF_ID. We can also employ this keyword to search for affiliate campaigns. Again, the results show the presence of this parameter in the URL. As evident from the results, you can use this search feature effectively for affiliate campaigns. The next searchable field that is available in basic search is landing page domain. This field name can be used to find your competitors' campaigns and creatives, assuming that you know the domain name. You can also use this to find ads for a particular brand. For example, I can search for all the creatives that point to McAfee.com, which sells antivirus products. Next one is Creative URL Chains field. In many cases, the link provided by the advertiser gets redirected from one URL to another. A most common example is the advertiser using a URL shortening service such as bit.ly. Another common example is many affiliate tracking platforms use a redirect link to record affiliate sales. For example, ClickBank Affiliate Network redirects its affiliate links from clickbank.net domain. Let's do a search for the presence of clickbank.net in the URL chain to find ClickBank affiliate campaigns. As you can see, we get various results with URL chains showing redirection from clickbank.net domain to various product page. Last one is the publisher domain field. You can find all the ads being run on a particular publisher site by using this search option. For example, I can find all the pop ads observed on blogspot.de publisher domain by searching for this field. As you can see, the field gets auto-populated as you start typing in this field. The results here show all the pop ads that initiated when user interacted on blogspot.de domain. Before I conclude this tutorial on basic search, I would also like to add that you can use any of the drop-down filters with basic search as shown on your screen. You can disable the search expression anytime by clicking on the X button next to search label or use Reset All button to remove all the filters and searches. I hope I was able to demonstrate how powerful the basic search tool is on Anstrex platform with the examples included in this video. See you again in the next tutorial video. Until then, cheers.